Hello friends, good morning. We meet again in the tutorial series of this STAT Pro. We are now in tutorial 3 part 3, become expert from beginner. Let's start. In this series of tutorials I am trying to explain all the ribbons and buttons. So without wasting time, let's start friends. In previous tutorial I have shown you the functionality regarding view button. Actually all this functionality I am briefing you because these are useful for modeling the critical structure, but remember this thing that while these functions will only very good can be understand only when you will be modeling that thing but before modeling I am giving you the brief introduction of each and every function that will help you, that will give you a good overview of the overall thing. So without wasting time, let's start friends. Mm, Previously we have told you about the view button. Now there is another button, that is tool button. Tool button normally helps you to detect any anomaly do you have in your structures or not. The initial all the buttons are related to that. So first is the check duplicate structure. This is a option which gives you when you are modeling a large structure such like this, whether you have modeled or duplicated something, or you have missed because if when your structure will be large, there is always a chance to have some discrepancies in the structure. So to check that thing, to arrest that thing, this mm, button is used. Suppose while modeling I have duplicated this part. Say I am copying and pasting structure, say around 20 meter apart. Say suppose while modeling I have duplicated these things apart from that, and it is not connected with the structure. So for big structure it happens that some parts of structure are being left out. So in that case this functionality is useful to checking whether any part has been left out or not. If you check multiple structure right now, you will see it is showing two structures. Structure 1 is this and structure 2 is this. So in that case this functionality is very much useful. Next is your if you go on tool button, you will find check duplicate node, member and plates. Duplicate node means a node which is duplicated with same coordinates. That means if you have a node 1, that is 0, that coordinate is 0 0 0, and you have created another node 3 that also have same coordinate 0 0 0, then it will give you an error of check duplicate nodes. But stat have some more functionality allowed for this node check duplicate node functionality. That is if your node is placed between say 0.001 meter 0.01 meter unknowingly, then you can also check whether that thing is duplicated or not. Suppose right now, suppose if you on the node button, cursor for owning all your nodes is shift n. If you click on shift n from your window, then all the nodes will be on there. You says I have this is my 19420 node that has 64.321, 14.8 and 10. Say I am copying, I copy this node say I select the node and copy it and paste it with some distance apart, say 0.01 meter. See, you can see the node has been duplicated over here. If you magnify it, you will able to see a node has been duplicated near this node. So now if you go on tool button and check duplicate nodes, you will find that you have to specify a range on which with which the duplication can be checked. So I am specifying 0.1 meter. Now if you see, these two nodes are being getting highlighted. So this is suppose is if 1473 is supposedly falling on, actually this functionality is there to check whether 1473 and 1942 has same coordinate or not, but stat has enhanced it, and it can check also within specified range whether your member is duplicated or not. It happens in case of critical structure that lots of problem arises and some duplicate nodes get created, but with this functionality, and that creates problem while analyzing, because generating stiffness metric and all these things are disturbed due to these anomalies. So these anomalies can be checked and modified through this check duplicate node functionality. Now check duplicate member is also there is the same thing. Suppose I have created a member from, say I am creating a member here from 183 to 1830 to 1886. If you click on the keyboard shift B, then the beam member will be showing. So it is 9022. Now if I want to check the duplicate, in case of duplicate member and duplicate plates, the functionality is similar. That means if 9022 beam, if you have three beams or two beams falling between same node, that means 18302 and 1806, then only stat can give you the error whether this member is duplicated or not. It don't have the proximity error, proximity, that means you don't will get error, so it will not show error if your 9022 is somehow shifted from the nodes. That is that should also be same like that. So if in your stat input editor, if you go and check 9022, say in stat editor, you will find 9022. So this is your member incidence 9022 is around between 1830 and 1830. Suppose I am creating another member that is 9023 in between same nodes. Give it a name, otherwise stat will 9023, otherwise stat will throw you an error. Now if you save it, so you have two members which have same nodes. What is the error is showing? It is showing supports command not read properly. That is due to some plate error. Let's forget the error. First of all, we need to find whether it is showing that duplicate error or not. Check duplicate member. See, your 9022 and 9023 are showing, because these two members have same node number. So again go to 9023 and delete it. Then then it will not give you any error. Okay. Now the model has been rectified. It is showing some error due to some problem in supports. Previously that was not present there. So we'll check it later when I will be modeling those things. Right now our main agenda should be whether to see the all commands in tool. Right now if you check the duplicate node or duplicate members, then you will see no duplicate members found. Similarly if you go and check duplicate plates, this also will do the same thing. Suppose first of all delete this member. Due to this member lots of problem arising, and delete the member. Now suppose if you click on shift P, all the plate number plate elements will be shown. Right now this is showing in a red color. Suppose this is our 1866 plate number. Another plate has been created using this 1866, 1942, 1943 and 1887 node number. Then this check duplicate plate will be shown, will be seen if you click on this structure. Suppose it is 1866, right? This is a plate element number. Say I am going in stat editor and modeling a duplicate plate with the help of stat editor. Uh, 1866, right? And this is your element incidence. This is element incidence, and I have to see for 1886 plate element number. 1886. See 1886. Yes, this is your 1886 plate element number. This is between 1906, 1962, 1963, 1970. This is not the okay. 1866. I have mistakenly typed it 1886. 1866. I have to see the plate number 1866. Next I have to go to initial path and then I have to click on 1866, and now you will be getting the node 1866. This is the node. This is the node 1866. If I copy it and create a duplicate for it, then see what happens. Say I have created a duplicate plate using the same node number. Say name it 3353. Okay, let's save it and it is showing this error in also in stat editor command, but still it may happen. What happened is that your plate has been created wrongly, that's why it is showing. So without wasting time, see what happened. Okay, I have deleted the previous plate number, that is 1866. Now it will be correct. now. Now if I say go to tools and check duplicate plates, see, it will showing you these two plates are duplicated because they use the same node number. So this is the functionality of using duplicate check duplicate node. This is very much essential functionality while checking the STAD anomaly, because this duplicate plates will just make your life hell, because these things uh, impact you directly. That's why checking of these things is very required, and this functionality is that's why very much required. Now your orphan nodes means while modeling, if you have say created some nodes which you have forgotten and they don't need in structure, and they are placed in a part of in structure, then you can check with this option orphan node highlights and remove it also. Say I am copy and paste this node 10 meter above. Now if I go in tool and check orphan node highlights, it removed. I have clicked it wrongly by removed. Say this is my node 1990. This is the node, and I am creating a orphan node for it. I am placing a node over the structure. Now say I want to check whether any orphan nodes are there in the structure or not. Go to tools and check orphan node highlights. See, it is highlighting that node, and if you want to remove it, it will remove it also. So this is the functionality of checking orphan nodes and removing. Next we check for wrapped plate. This is a functionality where you can check whether any distorted plate is modeled, and STAD will check it and will help of this functionality remove the wrapped plate with so that some maybe due to that errors are happens, but with this functionality you can check and remove that error. Your analysis error can be removed with this with the help of this functionality. Check zero length member. That means say two nodes are there in very close proximity and they have say 0.01 distance. With the help of this functionality you can remove that zero length member. While you click on the zero length member, it has the option to specify the member length which you want to delete. If you say 0.01 or 0.001, according to that according to the piece, and you can check a duplicate zero length member is present in your structure or not, and you can check it. Suppose I have created, I'll show you these things. These are very helpful while modeling critical structures. Say this is my 1877 node, and I am creating another node in say 0.01 meter distance from this 1877. Okay, and I am creating a beam. Say suppose I am creating a, you can see how small is the member looks like, and if I connect these two member, this is the 9022 member is showing. Okay, now if I go in tools and check for zero length member and specify the member length minimum member length to be checked. See, I am giving 0.001 meter, but the member is 0.1, so it is not saying any member is duplicated. If I check the zero length member with higher specification, it will show a zero length member. See, this 9022 is showing. So from here you can delete this member. So these are very helpful while removing anomalies from stat structure. Check overlapping collinear member. That means if a member happens to be duplicated between same node, say you have one member that uses 2 and 3 nodes, and you have four member that uses also 2 and 3 nodes. So this 1 and 4 member can be checked with the help of this overlapping collinear member functionality. So that will be very much helpful while checking these things. Then your check improperly connected member. This improperly connected members are improperly connected plates actually. This also give you an edge whether your member or plate is improperly connected or not. You can check with this functionality and remove them from your structure. Check beam plate connectivity. With this functionality you can check the beam plate connectivity and also remove it from the structure to get rid of the erroneous analysis result. Then you have check solid. These things will be activated when you are modeling a solid element. These functionalities are similar like plates. Check for solid with negative volume, negative volume or Jacobian. That means a solid part which has negative volume can be checked through here. Check for wrapped solid. This can be checked with this functionality. Plate strength on physical member. This can be checked. Place restraint on physical member. This is also a functionality of solid member. These are not normally used in stat, but when I am modeling a solid element instead, I will be showing that thing to you. Redefine incidence. This is a functionality to redefine the incidence. These things I will be explaining later because that thing needs to have some knowledge before understanding. Merge properties. This functionality is used if you want to merge two plates, if you want to merge two nodes, if you want to merge two beams, then this merge property functionality will seen and they will merge up your two properties. Next, your calculator and unit converter are same thing. That a calculator and use calculator, you can calculate with the help of this functionality whatever the calculation you want to need. So this is not useful because while doing our engineering analysis we always have some scientific calculator with us. So a unit converter is also a functionality which converts unit from inch to meter, millimeter. That may be useful while doing, but in your scientific calculator you can get also these things. So these are not very much helpful for you. I think this gets too long. I will be explaining the latter part in next video. Stay with me. Thanks again. Okay.